हेलो माइक चेक। कि बिंदास मुस्कुराओ क्या गम है, कि बिंदास मुस्कुराओ क्या गम है, जिंदगी में टेंशन किसको कम है, ये दुख ये सुख तो केवल भ्रम है, जिंदगी का नाम ही कभी खुशी कभी गम है, और मेरा नाम निगम है, मेरा नाम निगम है। जब आंखों में अरमान लिया मंजिल को अपना मान लिया, जब आंखों में अरमान लिया मंजिल को अपना मान लिया, फिर मुश्किल क्या, अरे भाइयों फिर मुश्किल क्या और आसान क्या, बस ठान लिया तो ठान लिया, बस ठान लिया तो ठान लिया। अब मंजिल मिले या ना मिले ये तो मुकद्दर की बात है, अब मंजिल मिले या ना मिले ये तो मुकद्दर की बात है, लेकिन हम सब सूरज की सृष्टि में आने की कोशिश भी ना करें ये तो गलत बात है, ये तो गलत बात है। सो स्प्लेंडेड गुड इवनिंग टू वन एंड ऑल, दिस इज मिनिगम इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू ऑल। हाउ आर यू ऑल एवरीबॉडी? How are you all? Speak together. Speak loudly. How are you all? Oh my goodness, that's really amazing, fantastic. First of all, I would like to say thanks to my both of sir, Mr. Suraj sir and Mr. Sanjeev sir for having me this golden opportunity, as well as I would like to thank all the viewers, all the spectators, all the companions, all the audience, all the panelists who all are present over here. You know, ladies and gentlemen, today I am having fantastic, fantabulous, marvelous, tremendous, grandiose, grandiloquent, splendid, wonderful, beautiful, and the supercalifragilistic, expialidocious topic. Ladies and gentlemen, today I am going to talk about a very important, vital, essential, necessary, indispensable topic. This topic is going to give you motivation. This topic is going to give you moral of the education. This topic is going to give you inspiration. Ladies and gentlemen, be all ears. I am talking about one thing that can change your life, that can change the life of everyone. I am talking about one thing that can make your future bright and bright. If you want to shine like a sun, if you want to shine like a sun, so there is only one thing that can change your life. There is only one thing, ladies and gentlemen, that can change the life of yours, of mine also. Ladies and gentlemen, would you like to know what is that? Are you excited? Are you excited? Are you interested to know that? Oh my goodness. Let the chips fall where they may. Let me spill the wings and let me reveal the secret. Yes, you heard me right. Absolutely right. I am talking about education. Yes, you heard me right. Absolutely right. I am talking about education. Only education is the key to get success. If you are not educated, people would not like to talk to you. If you are not educated, people would not love to handshake with you. If you are not educated, people would not like to give their precious time to you. Ladies and gentlemen, you may be thinking, you all dear panelists may be thinking, why am I telling this? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Why am I telling this? Because education is the most powerful weapon by which you can change the whole world. Only the education, education is the big wealth. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to get respect, if you want to get, value in your life, you should be educated. You should have knowledge. This Suraj Ki Srishti, huge, gigantic, enormous, massive, event is happening. Would you like to know why is it happening? Just because of, this is possible, just because of education, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, you heard me right, absolutely right. As we all know that education is important, vital, essential, necessary. And also I would like to say, Suraj Ki Srishti is a platform. आप जब भी स्टेज पर जाते हो, हकलाते हो, तुतलाते हो, लड़खड़ाते हो, अटक जाते हो, भटक जाते हो, और आप इंग्लिश बोल नहीं पाते हो. What is the main reason behind it? Why are you all not able to speak English? Why are you all not able to impress the people? Because you have phobia. Ladies and gentlemen, and all my dear panelists, you all have phobia, that is glossophobia. If you want to eradicate your glossophobia, so must join Suraj Ki Srishti. Suraj Ki Srishti. कहते हैं, अगर दिल में लगी हो आग कुछ पाने को, एक लाइन लिखी है किसी ने, बहुत हार्ट टचिंग लाइन है, दिस इज गोइंग टू टच योर हार्ट। अगर दिल में लगी हो आग कुछ पाने को, तो यकीन मानो मंजिल भी फैला देगी तुम्हें गले लगाने को। पहले कोशिश तो करो खुद को पाने को। तुम क्या थे, तुम क्या हो, ये फर्क नहीं पड़ता जमाने को। तुम क्या थे, तुम क्या हो, ये फर्क नहीं पड़ता जमाने को, क्योंकि जमाने का हर एक बंदा लगा है तुम्हें गिराने को। अरे पहले कोशिश तो करो खुद को पाने को। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, रखो खुद पर विश्वास, बन जाओ सफल। करो संघर्ष, बन जाओ सफल। देख लेना ये जमाना मजबूर हो जाएगा तुम्हारे सामने सर झुकाने को। अरे पहले कोशिश तो करो खुद को पाने को, खुद को पाने को, खुद को पाने को। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नो योर टैलेंट एंड देन शो योर टैलेंट एट सूरज की सृष्टि, सूरज की सृष्टि। Ladies and gentlemen, one more thing outstanding, amazing, marvelous, remarkable, grandiose, grandiloquent, splendid, and supercalifragilistic, expialidocious. I would like to say, I would love to say, I would prefer to say from the bottom of my heart and from the core of my heart, confidence. What is confidence, first of all, dear people? What is confidence? First of all, let me know, what is confidence? You don't have confidence. You don't have confidence. Can you become a singer without confidence? Yes or no? Without confidence, can you become a singer? Yes or no? Yes or no? The answer will be no. Absolutely, exactly, definitely. The answer will be no. Without confidence, nothing is possible. If you are zero, you can become hero with the help of confidence. मैं आपको एक एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू समझाना चाहूँगा। अगर आपके पास कॉन्फिडेंस है, मान लो मैं एक सिंगिंग गा रहा हूँ, हमको हम ही से चुरा लो, सच में चुरा के भग जाएगा।
दिल में कहीं तुम छुपा लो, हम अकेले खो ना जाए। हमारे बीच नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस होने जा रही है, अब आप